Japan has announced a major reform to its cryptocurrency tax policy. Also, corporate Bitcoin buying has slowed in August. What does this all mean for you? We're here to break it down. I'm Adel Burton, and you're watching Crypto TV. Japan is making headlines on tax reform. Currently, Japan's capital gains on digital assets can be taxed at rates of up to 55% beginning in the fiscal year of 2026. That rate will be reduced to a flat 20%. This change is designed to create a more favorable environment for digital asset investment and to encourage growth in Japan's blockchain and Web3 sectors. In addition, the reform is expected to introduce loss carry-forward provisions, allowing investors to offset gains with past losses, providing greater clarity and reduced risk. By aligning its approach with international standards, Japan is positioning itself as a more competitive hub for cryptocurrency and digital innovation. It's time to take a look at the crypto markets. Over to you, Krista.
Thanks, Adele. Welcome back, market watchers. This is your weekly crypto bubbles forecast. With the charts, teas, and the bubble stems, and every move feels just a little bit dangerous. Scorching highs this week, mixed finance turned all heads with a fiery 267%. Pump that fund followed with a delicious 79.6%, while the world coin kept the groove moving at 54.3%. These tokens, pure passion, strong, steady, and oh so seductive. This week's cold lows, 4 fell out of favor at 41.5%, Kronos dimmed at 7.7%, and World Liberty Financial or WLFI cooled off with 4.1%. The heat faded, leaving nothing but cold shoulders on the charts. And that's your market mood for the week. Highs, that sizzles, and lows that sting. If you want the refresh action, slip into the weekly time frame and refresh those tickers every Monday. I'm Krista Tunes. Back to you, Adele.
Public companies acquired approximately 47,718 Bitcoin, equivalent to $5.2 billion during the month, less than half the volume seen in July. Yet corporate treasury holdings crossed a milestone, totaling over 1 million Bitcoin across public firms, governments, ETFs, and private corporations. These assets are now valued at around $400 billion, down from roughly $428 billion previously. The previous month, as Bitcoin's price retreated below $109,000 after a mid-August peak, despite aggressive fundraising by some firms like Bitmine Immersion Technologies, much of that capital has yet to materialize into new Bitcoin purchases. In fact, the slowdown coincides with a muted bull run, indicating that entities may be cautious until market conditions stabilize. So, Krista, what's your latest take on Japan's newest tax reform?
It can be a hot move for Japan because it will really give them a chance to make crypto adoption closer to reality.
I think that's a fair statement because Japan is trying to be more open to cryptocurrencies, and it looks like they are opening up the shore for greater tax policies, allowing investors to maybe favoring the country more.
Yes, Adele, I think this is one more reason to love Japan, aside from all the sushis. Oh, I love sushis. This will really create a fresh environment for a digital asset investment for Japan.
I love sushis as well. I can't wait to book my ticket for my next trip to Japan. But only time will tell how investors and buyers will react coming to Japan, seeing how quick these policies will actually pan out.
Yes, I agree with that, Adele.
Only time will tell.
Time will tell.
And that's a wrap. You're watching Crypto TV. I'm Adel Burton.
I'm Krista Tunes again, and you are watching Crypto TV.